Hey everyone! Ever wondered if a vegetarian diet is truly better for you than a non-vegetarian one? You're not alone. Today I'm diving deep into this age-old debate. First up, let's talk about the benefits of a vegetarian diet. Vegetarians often enjoy lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. Plus, they're usually packing in more vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Sounds great, right? But what's the catch? Well, vegetarians might struggle with getting enough protein, iron, and vitamin B12. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy, muscle mass, and overall health. So, balance is key. Now, let's flip the coin and look at non-vegetarian diets. Meat, fish, and poultry are rich in protein, iron, and essential fats. These nutrients support muscle growth, brain health, and keep you feeling full longer. But there's a downside. High consumption of red and processed meats is linked to increased risks of heart disease, certain cancers, and other chronic illnesses. So, moderation is crucial here too. So, which is better for you? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Both diets have their pros and cons. The best approach is to find a balance that works for you, incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, whether they're plant-based or animal-based. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Mindful eating and listening to your body's needs play a huge role in your overall health. If you enjoyed this deep dive into diet choices, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay curious, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.